Did you know that there's a way to boost your day trading significantly using a top-rated indicator on TradingView? In this video, I'll explore a trading technique that works wonders not only on short time frames like the 5 and 15-minute charts, but also on longer ones such as the 1-hour and daily charts. This strategy is incredibly versatile, perfect for trading in various markets, whether you're dealing with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or trading in major forex pairs and stocks. So, buckle up and get ready because we're about to dive deep into this game-changing strategy. Before we dive in, a quick note, this video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, using the link in the description, you can support my channel and get up to a 20% discount on LuxAlgo premium indicators. Traders, before we start, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Today, I'll introduce you to a strategy that's all about trend trading. If you're not familiar with this, it's pretty straightforward. You follow the market's overall mood. This means you buy when most people are buying and you sell when they're selling. This style of trading is quite risky on a lower time frame such as the 5 minutes, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But don't worry, the strategy I'm about to show you in this video has minimal risk and it's almost never wrong when it comes to trade entries. To learn all about this strategy, let's start with a clean chart. This strategy works on several markets and time frames. It can be used from 15 minutes to 4 hours and more. But as an example for this video, we will use the Ethereum chart on the 5 minutes time frame. The strategy includes one indicator only. In order to add it, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has more than 23k likes, which tells us that it's quite legit, so click that to your chart. Now let's open the settings of the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays indicator and adjust its settings. First, let's take a look at the basic settings. For the presets and filters, we want to use none. For the signal mode, we want to use confirmation and exits, and we do not want to use the AI signal classifier, so make sure this option is disabled. We can leave the signal sensitivity by default, as we are going to use the autopilot sensitivity. Next, for the candle coloring, we are going to use confirmation simple. For this strategy, we want to use the Neo Cloud indicator overlay, so make sure to enable the Neo Cloud by clicking this checkbox. Within the advanced settings, we want to set the autopilot sensitivity to midterm and we are good to go. And as we're setting up these powerful tools, remember that using my link in the description not only gives you access to the full capabilities of LuxAlgo, but also supports my channel. Plus, you'll get up to a 20% discount on these premium indicators. It's a win-win for both of us. Now, before we get into the trading rules, let's understand how this indicator and signals work, and let's start with this buy and sell signals. The confirmation signals help us decide when to buy or sell. They change based on recent market trends. These signals work best when we use them together with other trading tools. There are two kinds of confirmation signals: normal signals and strong signals. The normal buy and sell signals are these up and down triangles without a plus sign, and the strong signals are these up and down signals with a plus sign. The strong signals are matching the current market trend, showing it's a good time to follow the trend. The normal signals might show up during short-term market changes. As we want to be on the safe side, we are going to use only the strong buy and sell signals, which include the plus sign in it. For our strategy, we are going to use the candle coloring as well. The green candles represent strong bullish activity, and the red candles represent strong bearish activity. The purple-colored candles show us a normal activity, so for our strategy, we are going to use only the green and red candles to enter the trades. Finally, let's understand the logic behind the Neo Cloud. The Neo Cloud is like the Ichimoku cloud and helps us see the direction of the market trend. When the market is going up, the Neo Cloud acts like a support. When it's going down, it acts like a resistance. This helps you make better decisions on when to enter a trade. The clouds are changing their color to show how new or old the trend is. Brighter colors mean the trend has been going on for a longer time. We will use the brightness of the Neo Cloud to know when to avoid entering a trade. As we can see here, the blue cloud is colored in its brightest blue, so we are not going to enter a long trade at this point. The exact opposite is true for the red colored clouds. The cloud is colored in its brightest red, so we will avoid entering short trades when it's colored like this. Now onto the fun stuff. Let's delve into the trading rules to understand how we can use this strategy profitably, and let's first start with the rules to enter a long trade. For a long entry signal to be valid, there must be 3 conditions met. First, we need to see the Neo Cloud being colored in blue. Second, the indicator needs to print a strong buy signal, which is this green triangle up with a plus sign. Third, the candle must be colored in green. If all conditions are met, we can enter a long trade. We set the stop loss at the recent low, and for our take profit, we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you another example for a valid long entry signal. So let's check 3 easy steps. Blue colored Neo Cloud, strong buy signal, green colored candle, stop loss at the recent low. and we are targeting a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let me show you an example for an invalid long entry signal. As we can see here, obviously all conditions are met. We can see the blue Neo cloud, the indicator printed a strong buy signal, and the candle is colored in green. But as I explained earlier, we can see the Neo cloud is colored in its brightest blue, which means we want to avoid entering a trade. Now let's talk about the rules for entering a short trade. For a short entry signal to be valid, there must be 3 conditions met. First, we need to see the Neo cloud being colored in red. Second, the indicator needs to print a strong sell signal, which is this red triangle down with a plus sign. Third, the candle must be colored in red. If all conditions are met, we can enter a short trade. We set the stop loss at the recent high, and for our take profit, we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. LuxAlgo premium indicators are a game changer. Using my link in the description gets you up to a 20% discount. Let me show you another example for a valid short entry signal. So let's check 3 easy steps. Red colored Neo cloud, strong sell signal, red colored candle. Stop loss at the recent high, and we are targeting a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Let me show you an example for an invalid short entry signal. As we can see here, obviously all conditions are met. We can see the red Neo cloud, the indicator printed a strong sell signal, and the candle is colored in red. But we can see the Neo cloud is colored in its brightest red, which means we want to avoid entering a trade. Here's a pro tip for those just starting in trading. If you're unsure about which trades to make, try adding an exponential moving average to your chart. Set its length to 200. This EMA line helps you see the trend direction. Use it to guide your trades. Go for long trades when the buy signals are above the EMA line, and go for short trades when the sell signals are below the EMA line. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.